Hello, everybody. I am currently in the process of moving, so I forgot that I packed up all of my, camera holding equipment at this point. So I'm doing this with my cell phone by hand, but I just picked up a couple of these here Master Lock Magnum #1 choice of professionals. Anyways, this is the lock, and that is a very satisfying sound with the key going. Now, I haven't tried to pick these yet. However, since I have to use them for my storage bin, I would like to see just how good they are. So, I got my trusty little, I believe that is a short hook, and just a simple, maybe I will do I'm going to do the pry bar. I'm going to do the pry bar. Sorry, I'm kind of holding my phone with my kneecaps at the moment, so bear with me here. Where are you? Where the hell's my... Oh, there's my regular pry bar. Not even in the same goddamn container. Okay. What was that? Fucking 10 seconds? Let's try this one. This one I haven't taken out of the package yet. Anyways, in case there's anybody that said that was rigged somehow. Okay. Oh, there you go. Forgot the last one. Okay, well, this is the one that just kind of opened within 10 seconds, so I'm guessing I kind of got lucky with that one. This one took a little bit longer, closer to like a minute and a half. But you know what? Still, I've never tried to open these locks before, but that's kind of sad that this is the grade 8 protection bullshit. Looks like I gotta get different locks. Awesome. That was $30 for that. Very sad.